Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Uh, this is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Today we'll present on key performance indicators on sales. Here is our data entry page, and on the right side, and here is the outputs in terms of key performance indicator on sales by months as well as by products here. So we'll see how this is dynamically changed if you actually change some numbers. So just before that, let's come to the Get Data Solution. Get Data Solution is a channel that presents dashboard and other data management tools, and the purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project and to manage business. So at least we will actually see some of this purpose in today's topic, in saving time, in generating automatic report, and to manage our business. So let's come to today's topic here. As I've said, here is the data entry. We'll just insert our data here and get our key performance indicators on the left side. So the first one is dates. We'll insert the date here. For this demo purpose, I have used a date for April, May, June, and July here, and I have used 5 product A, B, C, D, E. Just we can actually change the name of our product in the actual case for real product name. Here is the monthly goal to be sold for each product, and for this demo purpose we have used 500 for each. The monthly goal to sell for A, for B, for C, and D, and E as well. Here is the actual performance of the sales of those products, and then the last column and percentage is automatically updated by itself. So it is also filled proportional to the percentage in terms of coloring. So for in terms of this, how to fill this, we have here instruction page where we have actually will be guided by this instruction page, instruction sheet, and then finally save our data and will automatically get the performance. So this is very dynamic, and let's see how it is actually performing if we are actually changing some numbers here. Let's see, for example, for product A in the first one, if you change this into 100, for example, currently it is on 96% performance. Can you see it? It is 20% performance, and the proportionally field is actually shown again. For this, if we make 200, can you see it? And it is dynamically changing. Let's see if this is actually reflected in our data, and let's refresh our data, and yeah, we can see it. As you can see, for from this chart, key performance indicators, for April it is 1810, which is below the target line, which is, this is a target line, is this broken black line. For May 2680, which is green, since it is above the target. Here for July is also above the target. June and July, for both June and July it is above the target. Let's look again into product wise. As you can see, earlier every product is above the target. Now can you see for product A is beyond, below the target line. Here is the target line. For product B as well, it is below the target line. So this is very dynamically changing in terms of performance for each, and aggregate by month, and aggregate performance by product. So this is very dynamic and dynamically changes. Let's do this and this again. We can add again months. For adding months, just let me drag this and adjust the months. Let's again copy the product and the target here, and then let's fill the performance. Let's is 500. This is, let's say this is 250. Let's say this is 450, 510, and this is 300. Let's once we fill this and insert a new month, let's again update our data. We have to refresh it. Then if you refresh, we'll get the update. Can you see it? Yeah. And this in terms of key performance indicator for August, which is now 210, and for April 1810, which is for both August and April, it is below the target line. The green ones for May, June, and July, it is above the target line. So we know that our performance is good in May, June, and July. In terms of the product, again here, we can see for product A, it is below the target line. For product B, it is below the target line. For product C and D is above the target line, and for product D as well, it is a bit higher than the target line here. So we can make an informed decision based on our performance. For example, the owner or the organization can take an appropriate action for product A and for product B, for example. In this case, whether actually to just make some adjustment. So this is very dynamic chart we can generate from this data, using this data to generate key performance indicators. And this is actually has some benefits. Some of the benefits are it is easy and convenient to enter data and add cells, automatically update our cells, automatically generate sales chart and achievement by month and by product. It can save time. It's convenient to share to team. So it is actually guide to make informed decision as well. So this dynamic chart is recommended for the following. The first one is sales managers, sales team or salesperson, business organizations, small business owners, large or medium business owners, as well as even factories. So we recommend this for those individuals as well as organizations to use for their key performance indicators tracking. And as we have seen, this is very useful, and it actually saves time, generate automatic report, as well as to manage our business, especially in this case for sales, but we can use it for other purposes as well, not only for sales but for other even for production as well. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share so that you will be notified when we actually produce other videos. Thank you very much for visiting our site, and bye bye.